If you are confused to decide whether to choose physics, chemistry, or maths for your masters, or the upcoming exams like CUET or IIT JAM, basically you are a PCM student, right? So hey, this is me, BSc Mathematics honors holder from University of Delhi, and I have qualified IIT JAM in mathematics, right? So this is my suggestion to you all and to help you all, right, how to choose between physics and chemistry and maths. So first of all, you have to be very clear, like you want to go for higher education or not, right? If you are interested, then this video is for you. Otherwise, if you are interested in job and other things, then this video is not for you. So first thing is, you have to divide into three parts. First one is your interest, second one is the strength, and third one is the career goal, right? So strength and interest and career goal, right? So first one is like interest. Okay, so as I was interested in mathematics, so I chose BSc Mathematics honors and I opted for IIT JAM in maths only. Okay, but for you guys, you have various opportunities, like you can choose physics as well as chemistry as well as mathematics, right? So try to understand your interest, like you are interested in maths or chemistry or physics. Okay, second thing is your strength. So sometimes it happens कि आपका कोई सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट होता है बट वो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होती है, बेसिकली आप उसमें इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते हो या फिर इतना अच्छा आउटपुट आपका उस चीज़ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर स्ट्रेंथ कि आप किस फील्ड में कितना अच्छा कर पा रहे हो, राइट? सो दैट थिंग ऑल्सो मैटर्स व्हेन यू चूज दिस थिंग्स, राइट? Third one is career goal. Okay, so if you want to go for particular career or particular field, right, then choose that only. For example, if you are interested in mathematics, like you want to go for MSc in mathematics, or you want to go for data analyst course or data science statistics, in those kind of things you have to choose for mathematics, and you enjoy problem solving as well, right? Then this is for maths. Second one is chemistry. If you really enjoy molecules, reactions and all those things, then this subject is for you, and you want to go for MSc or chemist job or teaching job or other fields, right? Then you have to choose chemistry. Third one is physics. If you really enjoy solving maths as well as studying nature, right, equations and everything which is in your surroundings, then physics is for you. And physics has like ultimate goals, like you can go for ISRO, BARC, scientist post are there, and physicist is always there, right? So these kind of options you can have when you will go for physics, maths and chemistry, right?